Welcome to ModiMakes.
What's good, everybody? My name is Modi, this is ModiMakes, and today I'm going to show you a game-changing spray paint technique using soap. I've been loving these cool painting tricks I've been finding using everyday household items like the water spray paint technique. And the new one I've been made privy of is using gel soap to make these sort of Pollock-esque abstract splatter paintings. However, I'm going to take it to the next level by using it to block out some text for a poster-style new take on those old-timey advertisements for fruit and such type things. Because honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of the Pollock type style painting. I find it a little childish, but there's no accounting for taste. Yup, Modi, just keep digging that hole, cause hate is still engagement. Anyways, let's get into it before all the little Pollock minions rise up to cancel me or some ish. To start it off, I'm gonna flat the canvas with white. And then fade in a pink gradient from the bottom. Now, let's grab the soap. Any gel soap would work, I just had Dawn on hand, so I'm going a little bit bougie with it. I'm going to carefully line in these letters so they don't spread into each other while still keeping that nice blobby texture. And add some extra drips throughout to taste. Once you've laid out your soap, you need to grab another color to cover the canvas. I went with black to make the white and pink pop. When your paint has completely dried, it's just a matter of washing off the soap and the excess paint to reveal the color underneath. And as you can see, I went with the word juicy. Shout out to Biggie, baby, the GOAT! You'll see why I chose this in a little bit here, but first it's time to get into... I'm terrible at drawing and painting perfect circles, so I'm gonna use my old friend the bucket to help me out. And then pull out my beautiful orange paint to fill that bad boy up. I never seemed to be smart enough to put down gesso or white beforehand, so this took a few coats to get it right, but we got there, so it's all good. You love to see it. To smooth out the circle edge and separate it from the text, I'll grab my trusty black Posca pen and my good friend the bucket. Then it's on to sketching in my character design, which is gonna be a goony looking orange in a 50s animation inspired style. With that done, it's time to pull out the rest of my beloved Posca pens. Though I kept a relatively simple color palette, at least for me, so I'm only gonna need a solid handful of them. Now let's flatten all the colors for this happy massive orange. And I'll even throw in some simple stippling shading to hint at the texture, all for the low, low price of $19.99.
Let's
finish this bad boy off strong with the beautiful clean black line work. This works extra well for this design because the mostly black background hides the black line work and makes the character look like it's just made out of color cutouts. And of course the all-essential black line details and the black and white stippling shadows for an excellent retro shading effect. With all that finished, the painting is complete and ready for those final shots. Well, there you have it, my people. My painting Juicy is complete. And I am extremely happy with how the effect turned out with the text in the background and how clean the subject painting on top of it ended up being. But let me know what you guys think of the piece down in the comments below. And let me know if you have any questions about this video or any other video I've made. I'll be happy to read through them all and respond to them personally, as I always do. And you know, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a like. That would be fantastic. And if you like me, you like the channel, and you want to help support me, the number one thing that you can do is to subscribe. I really couldn't thank you enough if you did. It means the world to me. With all that out of the way, and without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Thanks for watching.